So to finish the week off, we continue talking about water features and pumps and other things that go along with that. And part of that is we looked at some other pumps. I mentioned in the last video that, you know, there's different pumps. There's utility pumps, submersible pumps, and then external pumps. Some are submersible, like utility pumps and solids pumps, but others like external pumps are usually outside of the water, and they're actually usually a lot more energy efficient and quieter, and they can usually handle a lot more flow. So like swimming pools, for example, usually have external pumps, and that's so that it's not in the water and you can't hear it and stuff. So is that we also talked about pond liners, and there's a variety of different pond liners that you use so that the water doesn't just leak out, but usually you put the underlaying fabric beneath, and that helps the pond liner not get punctured. And then the liner part is like a rubbery type material, and that both of those are put together in order to strengthen the pond liner and prevent the water from leaking out. So it's good to have those and a good quality of them. There's cheap ones out there that you don't want as much because they'll break. We also went out into the jungle greenhouse and we looked at the water feature there. There's like a waterfall with a pond, and it has fishes in it. And so we kind of looked at the pump there. It has a skimmer box, which is like at a swimming pool. You have those boxes on the side that kind of catch debris going in. So it has a skimmer box, and inside the skimmer box is a submersible pump. And so it pretty much skims water off the top. So it grabs all the leaves and debris and things like that. And then there's a filter inside the skimmer box that catches the debris, and then the pump inside pulls water to the top. And we'll look at this next week, but this water feature also has a bead filter, which is just another way to filter out the water and make it a little more clear. So we'll look at that next week. But you can see we're kind of cleaning it out. It hadn't been cleaned in a while, so you can see the filter is there, and it's really dirty, and our professor has all the roots and stuff that it caught up. We also started working on design for water features. There's a lot of calculation that goes into it. You can't just put any pump with any water feature, because the pump needs to be able to push the water up and to the top of the waterfall. So we practiced the math and the steps used, and we used the Pond Builder's Guide is what it's called. And it's just kind of a predetermined steps in order to measure the head and the flow of the pump. And what the head is pretty much how high the pump can pump water, and then the flow is how much gallons per hour it can flow. It can pump. So we use these charts to kind of calculate which pipe to use, the head, the flow, and then from that which filter to use, or which pump to use. And then we kind of finished the day off with a baked potato bar, which was nice. So overall, it was a good day, and we learned a lot of information that we hope to apply further into designing and learning about water features. So thanks for watching.